So again, you put sub yesterday and the day before. You're going to do those 2 assignments if you haven't already, and you're going to turn them in. Make sure you don't take a calculator without checking it out with me. And then if you need to be passing today, we're going to talk in a minute. Now, here's our warm-up. Y'all remember Tuesday's notes? Hey, Ray, look over here. Tuesday's notes. Look. I still want you to look. Everyone look. You're in the back. Holy cool. On Tuesday, we learned there's 2 ways to do these. Either they're equal, or they add up to 180. Now, how do you know if these are equal, or if they add up to 180? Well, since no one knows, no I'm kidding, but since y'all are so quiet, and you know it, but you just don't want to say it, here's why, okay? First, you can look at, here's one way. Is this obtuse or acute? Obtuse. Is this one obtuse or acute? Obtuse. They match. So what should I do with matching things? Set them equal. Don't add them to 180 if they're the same thing, okay? Now, if one was obtuse and one was acute, oh yeah, add them to 180, okay? Now here's another way. Y'all remember the zigzag method? You can go to the attendance office. All right, real quick. Y'all remember the zigzag method? Are these angles in the same zigzag? Yes. So guess what? They're equal. Set them equal. Okay. Here's another way. Now think about this. What's the relationship? Is everyone looking? Are these alternate or same side? These are definitely not on the same side. Here's the transversal. They're on, one's above it, one's below it, right? They're alternate. And are they in or out of the parallels? Out. So they're exterior. We call these alternate exterior. Write that down. Alternate exterior. Okay. Now, what do we know about alternate exterior? Are they congruent or supplementary? Or let's put it another way. Which are the ones that are only supplementary? What's the S rule? Same sides are the only ones that are supplementary. So these are congruent. And congruent means you set them equal to each other. So I just went over 3 ways to tell if they're equal. They're in the same zigzag, or they look the same, or if you know the relationship, you have notes on whether they're congruent or supplementary. So we're going to do 5x plus 7 equal sign 8x minus 71. Please remember, they're not always going to be equal, only when they match. If they're same side interior or same side exterior, that's when you have to add them to 180. Look at your notes from Tuesday to see how we do that. But here's how we're going to do this one. Let's solve this. When x is on both sides, what do? Do I combine them or get rid of one? Who said Adam? Okay, get rid of the smaller x when it's on both sides. Which x is smaller? 5x. How do I get rid of 5x? That's a positive 5x. Minus 5x. What's 8 minus 5? So bring down 7 equals 3x minus 71. This is what we call a 2-step equation. Now what do I get rid of next? What's the loaner? 71. Minus 71's got to go first because it's on the side with x. What's the opposite of minus 71? Plus 71, plus 71. What is 7 plus 71? 78 equals 3x. And then how do I get rid of a 3 in front of x? Does everyone else know this? To get rid of a 3 in front of x, we divide. What is 78 divided by 3? X is 26. So everybody has a good warm-up for today with the objective at the top, right? Please double check that your name is on it. Pass it to the front. I'm going to pass out your review. Does everyone know that your review key is on the wall and it's posted in the Google Classroom stream with a video of me going over it? You should watch that. If you did not finish your assignments, do that first because you can always do the review over the weekend, right? Please review before your quiz on Monday. And if you need to be passing UIL people, we're going to talk here in a second, okay? Here we go.